In this session, we will present an example that investigates the activity of our fleet, based on a predefined set of deliveries to be served. We will explore the activity of the fleet in terms of time spent and kilometers covered, by using the echelon model. This model calculates the fleet activity based on parameters such as the deliveries to be served, the logistics facilities and the vehicles used. First, we create a new scenario. We name our scenario, Get Fleet Activity, and we choose the model that we would like to use. In this case we use the model Echelon version 1. All parameters are passed to the model as comma-separated files. We will save the scenario and select the Simulations menu in order to create a new simulation. We name the new simulation, Get Fleet Activity 1, and we select the newly created scenario. The user is guided by the simulation wizard. Here the user can upload the files to be used for the simulation execution. We can also see the expected extension of the files to be uploaded. We can upload a file from our computer, or use data assets that are already uploaded to the platform. Here we use input files with data from the Budapest Living Lab. The facilities data file contains the location of the logistics facilities, the working schedule and the handling time. Similarly, the fleet data file contains the vehicle type, the vehicle's capacity in boxes, kilos and cubic meters, its fixed costs, the vehicle speed and the mean kilometers per day. We will run several what-if scenarios, by changing only the fleet characteristics. We provide the necessary input files for the first scenario, and afterwards we will provide a different file for each fleet setup we want to explore. We can now start the simulation execution and monitor its status. The simulation has been executed successfully. To now run the simulation with the different fleet input, we can clone the simulation. We will give a new name to the simulation, and add a description. The previous inputs are inherited in the cloned simulation, and we can modify only the parameters of interest, in this case the fleet characteristics. All the inputs are left unchanged, except from the fleet description file, which will be updated with one that uses light commercial vehicles instead of the heavy-duty trucks. We can now start the new simulation. By repeating the same process, we have executed multiple simulations with different fleet setups. We select the simulations that we want to compare and define one as a baseline. In the results, we can observe how the total delivery distance, the total delivery time and the number of vehicles needed change based on the fleet characteristics. We can run more complex simulations by changing more than one parameter at a time. The lead platform supports exporting the results in a PDF report. The simulation's outputs can be downloaded for further offline processing.